Hello guys, I am Kingston Vite from Manipur. I ordered two flute from Deepak Soni. Here, you see, Deepak Soni. Okay, from I think Haryana. Yes, one C sharp middle, and one E bass. Let's see. Yeah, packaging is very nice, very good. Let us open this. Very nice packaging, very tight, very hard. Wow. Pelle. Pepper, very hard. Spoon. I also ordered a bag. There's the bag. That is also good. Wow. Very excited. Let's see. Bubble plastic. In order to save from damage during transportation. Fry bamboo flute. Friend, flute from Deepak Soni is highly recommended. Okay, here is this middle. Okay, very straight. And then very E-base, very round. Okay, little curve here. And the prices are very reasonable. This E-base flute is only for 1000 rupees, and this is also 1000. He is selling his flutes for all scales in 1000. Let's see this song. Let's see. Wow, Saragama, very good, very well tuned. This is my first time to play an E-bass. Let's see how far I can try. Let me try. And a little tough for the part of pa, da, ni, sa. Okay, let's see. Oh no, this is for E. Okay, I see. Yes. The hissing sound for the part of pa, dha is not the fault of the flute. That was my fault because I am just a beginner and this is my first time to play an e-bass. Thank you guys. As a fan of Mr. Deepak Singh, Mr. Deepak Z, I am highly recommended for all the beginners and also for the performers, stage performers to buy flutes from Deepak Soni Z. Thank you very much from Manipur.